Ever wondered about the origin of your favorite street food, Panipuri? It's a question that has piqued the curiosity of food lovers around the globe. The Panipuri, also known as Golgappa, Puchka or Gupchup, has a story as rich and diverse as its flavors. The history of Panipuri takes us back to the ancient times. It is believed to have originated during the era of the Mahabharata. According to popular folklore, the mighty warrior Prince Arjuna, while displaying his culinary skills, crafted a dish that resembled the modern-day Panipuri. The dish was so loved by his mother, Kunti, that it gradually gained popularity in the royal court and eventually among the common people. As we move forward in time, we see the Panipuri making its mark during the reign of the Mughal Empire around the 16th century. The Mughal chefs, known for their culinary genius, experimented with the flavors and gave it a new avatar. They filled the crispy hollow balls with a mixture of chickpeas and tangy tamarind water, adding a royal touch to this humble street food. The journey of Panipuri continued, and by the 18th century, it was a popular snack among the masses in the regions of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. The snack was inexpensive, easy to make, and could be consumed on the go, making it a hit among the working class. Fast forward to the British Raj in India, the Panipuri became a symbol of unity and rebellion. It was during this period that the Panipuri started being sold on the streets. People from all walks of life would gather around these street vendors, relishing the snack, thus breaking the social barriers of class and caste. In the post-independence era, the Panipuri spread its flavors across the length and breadth of the country. Different regions adapted it to their local tastes, giving birth to the many variations we see today. As we look back, the Panipuri has come a long way from the royal kitchens to the bustling streets. It is not just a snack, it is a cultural phenomenon, a symbol of unity in diversity. The Panipuri is a testament to India's culinary history, bridging the gap between the rich and the poor, the traditional and the modern, the local and the global. So, the next time you bite into a Panipuri, remember, you are not just savoring a snack, but a piece of history.